How to do it. Let me show you how to do it.
Hi guys, so yesterday I had an interesting failure at my house. I was outside watering some of my plants, and I noticed once I was done watering that the water was gushing out from the side wall of my house, and this is right by where the hose connection was, and kind of ran out there. And I noticed everything looked okay in this picture that you can see. I kind of exposed it, but it was all covered. There was nothing obvious, and I kind of got into a panic mode because I couldn't tell where the water was leaking from because all this pipe was covered behind the wall. So I decided to turn the water off the very first thing, and again, I'm not sure how long it was leaking for. Hopefully, not that long. And the only reason I say that is because I did not see a lot of water damage or anything like that. But what I ended up doing was turn the water off. I kind of came out there, and I think it started when I connected, or right when I turned the water on, because it was it looked fairly fresh, and I didn't see a lot of water around at the bottom. So, anyways, when I broke the wall, I came across this connection that was broken, and this is a CPVC connection that is pretty common in Florida. It was kind of like broken, so I'm not sure if when I turned the water on, I put a lot of force on there, or what did I do? I can't remember this time, but it was definitely broken. So, anyways, I ended up calling my plumber, and he came out there to fix it. And one mistake I did was that I did not record properly what he was doing. My plan was to record this whole thing and show it to you guys how he did the repairs. But let me walk you guys through what exactly he did. All right, so here you can see the end product. So I sincerely apologize that I thought I was recording this whole time when the guy was fixing this. But apparently my camera was not running or rolling, or I don't know what happened, but it only recorded a very small clip. But anyways, let me walk you guys through what exactly he did. So if you remember in the picture, this was the piece, and it was broken like this, right from here. And so what he did was basically he just cut it right from here. He put this 45, another 45 to make it a straight, so it's a little bit more straight. And then what he decided to do was instead of coming all the way to 45 and coming outside the wall, he wanted to keep this PVC inside the wall. And so that's the reason that he put a 45 here and the 45 there too. Just make it straight. So all these connections are nothing but just a regular CPVC with the glue, the special glue that they use. And that's all he used over here, and over here. So any PVC work, if you have done, you shouldn't really have any issues connecting this. This was a very easy piece. Now, this was a special piece that you get in order for you to transform anything from a CPVC to a copper line. So this is what he had separate. Now they have different connection. For this, they have the crimp connections. They also have the welded connections. So this is a crimp connection that he was using. There is no crimping that was done on the CPVC at all. No crimping at all. Again, the only crimping that he used was on this. So if you don't have any crimping tools, and you only have, if you know how to solder copper, you can also do this with the CPVC, no issues, right? Because this piece right there, it's a female thread, goes onto the male thread, which is connected to this part. So this whole part comes together as a CPVC with this male threads, and the female to copper threading goes on top of this. So that's it. So these are two separate pieces, one piece and two piece, and they kind of bond together. This is glued to the CPVC, and this is crimped to the copper connection. And then this is just regular copper connection that goes all the way. And then he put the new connections right there. So that's all. It wasn't too bad. It was an easy job. I honestly could have done it myself, but I had never worked on CPVC, so instead of me giving it a shot by myself, I decided to just hire him, and he was very reasonable. What he charged me. So, you know, it was a good experience for me to see this. You know, I kind of wanted to record this whole thing to show it to you guys how he did it, but again, my apologies, you know, but just wanted to give you guys an overview of what he did and how he fixed this whole thing. Now, just one reminder, you're probably wondering, why do I have foam here? Anytime you have CPVC, you don't want to put concrete on there. That's bad for this whole thing. So, you know, make sure don't use concrete, you know, at least till here. I'm going to fill it up with with this foam right there. I'm probably going to just fill it up and then just put a layer of concrete on top just to kind of make it look nice. But, you know, definitely don't want to put the concrete in there, because concrete expand and contract, like, you know, so it can definitely cause damage to the CPVC. So that's it, guys. You know, hopefully this video helps you guys fix your own CPVC pipes. And guys, if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you.